Amazing day, guys. Yeah, after how many days not feeling well. No, I have a fever in the last few days. I'm not feeling well since Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And this morning, when I wake up this morning, like I feel better. I don't know if I can do painting. Today is Saturday. Feel better, guys. Oh my god. Now I'm okay. So we start painting. No idea yet. my mind is not function yesterday. So today is Saturday. How many days attempt to do a painting, but I can't. So without further ado, I don't know, this is first time to do it, but okay, let's do. And finish. Then do this. So this is the result. Beautiful. I thought my mind is not functional. This is the outcome, guys, and it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. As you can see, I use this. The rest is the painting acrylic. I use blue, orange, red, white. Yeah. They're looking at me. This is Giuliano and Giuliana.